Hello guys, welcome to Saram Student Puzzle. Today we're going to solve another LeetCode problem, which is maximum distance in arrays. So you're basically given an input of two-dimensional array, which is an array of arrays. And now you have to find the maximum distance between two elements from two different arrays. So the element should be selected such that they are from two different arrays. They should not be from the same. They should be from two different arrays. In this input, each array is sorted. So how we can find the minimum element is at the minimum element is at the initial position and the maximum element is at the last position. Okay, it's 0 and -1. We can easily tell that. And now what we are going to do is I'm going to explain to you with a little example, and then we're going to go to the coding session. Okay, so here's an example. We have three lists and we're going to set the result value to 0. We can initialize the maximum and minimum value from the first array which we are going to get, and then we're going to iterate through these two lists and we're going to perform two operations. Okay, to find the maximum distance there are two ways. Firstly, we're going to subtract the maximum value of the first list to the minimum value in the second list. And the other thing is also that the maximum value of the present list should be subtracted from the minimum value of the previous list. And we're going to find the maximum of these results and we store it in res. And then later we're going to find the minimum. We're going to update our minimum and maximum value as we go through the list. So as I've already found out the first list minimum maximum value, so there are going to be two iterations. So these are the two iterations, and lastly we are going to return the result. I think that's it. That's the basic logic here. Now we are going to go to the coding session. Now I'm going to initialize two variables, minimum value and maximum value, which are set to the first element of the first list and the last element of the first list. And I'm going to initialize the result value to 0, and I'm going to iterate through the arrays, and I'm going to set the result as maximum of current value and absolute, which is going to give you the modulus of the subtraction. I'm going to subtract it to the last element of the current array and the minimum value of the previous array. And then I'm going to add another one, which is the current maximum value minus the initial value of the present array. And then I'm going to update the minimum value and I'm going to update the maximum value, which is min of current value comma initial element of the present array. I'm going to update the maximum value, which is max of current maximum value and the last element of the current array of what we're iterating, and I'm going to return the result. I think that's it. That's going to give us the code. Now I'm going to run it. As you can see, it's running successfully, and thank you for watching this video.